Apple's long journey toward a foldable iPhone has always had one major goal: removing the crease from the display. While other brands rushed foldable phones to the market, Apple chose to wait. The reason was simple: a visible crease in the middle of the screen never matched Apple's standards. Until recently, this goal felt almost impossible due to technical limits. But new developments suggest that Apple's vision may finally be close to becoming real. At CES 2026, Samsung surprised everyone by showing a foldable display with no visible crease at all. Not just from the front, but even from the sides, the screen looked completely smooth. This was unexpected, especially since even the best foldables so far still show some level of creasing. This single showcase changed the entire conversation around foldable phones, especially when it comes to Apple's long-rumored foldable iPhone. According to reliable industry insiders, the secret behind this crease-free display is a new metal plate placed under the screen. This plate helps spread the pressure of folding across a wider area instead of concentrating it in one sharp line. As a result, the display bends more evenly, preventing the crease from forming in the first place. Even more impressive is the claim that this screen may stay crease-free even after repeated folding over time. This matters because durability has always been another concern with foldable phones. A display that looks smooth on day one but develops a crease after months of use would not meet Apple's expectations. If this new technology truly holds up, it solves two big problems at once: visual quality and long-term durability. Samsung has already been improving its foldable displays year after year. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, for example, showed major improvements over the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in both strength and crease visibility. However, the display shown at CES goes far beyond those improvements. It feels like a major leap rather than a small upgrade. That raises an important question: why now? Many believe that Apple may be the reason. Samsung Display has been Apple's main display supplier for years, especially for iPhones. Apple is known for pushing suppliers to meet extremely high standards, even if it takes longer or costs more. There is a strong possibility that Apple demanded a truly crease-free foldable screen, forcing Samsung to innovate further. This leads to another big question: is this display meant for Samsung's next foldable phones, or was it designed specifically for the foldable iPhone? Reports suggest that this crease-free display could debut in the Galaxy Z Fold 8, expected to launch sometime in 2026, possibly a month or two before Apple's foldable iPhone. If that happens, Samsung users would get early access to this technology. There is also talk of a Galaxy Z Wide Fold that could use the same display. At the same time, many signs point toward Apple being the real target for this technology. Apple has waited for years, refusing to release a foldable phone until the experience feels perfect. A crease-free display has always been a key part of that vision. Seeing Samsung suddenly unveil such a screen makes it hard to believe this happened without Apple's involvement. The prototype display shown at CES also featured under-display cameras. That detail is especially interesting. Apple has been slowly moving toward cleaner, uninterrupted displays, reducing notches and cutouts over time. An under-display camera would fit perfectly with Apple's design philosophy, especially for a premium foldable device. If this display is indeed what Apple plans to use, then the foldable iPhone is no longer just a concept. It is starting to feel real. Apple's dream of a foldable phone that looks like a normal, flat screen when opened may finally be within reach. However, timing remains a concern. While this will be a huge moment for Apple fans, it may arrive slightly later than ideal. By the time the foldable iPhone launches, competitors may already offer similar crease-free displays. Samsung, in particular, seems ready to move fast. Samsung's confidence in foldables is higher than ever. After strong sales of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, Samsung has actually increased its expectations for foldable phone sales. This is a big shift. For the first time in years, foldables are no longer seen as a risky niche product, but as a growing category. This means Samsung is unlikely to hold back its best technology just for Apple. If the crease-free display is ready, Samsung will likely use it in its own devices as soon as possible. That could allow Samsung to beat Apple to the market with a truly crease-free foldable phone. Even so, the foldable iPhone is expected to make a massive impact. Price rumors suggest a starting price of around $2,400, making it one of the most expensive smartphones ever. Despite that, demand is expected to be extremely high. Apple's loyal user base, combined with years of anticipation, could easily turn this into one of the best-selling foldables ever. Design choices may still divide opinions. Not everyone is convinced that Apple's approach to a foldable phone will be perfect for daily use. Still, Apple's ability to polish software, optimize apps, and integrate hardware with iOS could give it an edge that goes beyond the display alone. In the end, the idea of a crease-free foldable iPhone no longer sounds unrealistic. Thanks to Samsung's latest display technology, Apple's long-standing goal appears closer than ever. Even if competitors arrive first, the foldable iPhone is likely to change the market in a big way. For Apple fans, the wait may finally be worth it.